Review. Akaso Brave 7 Action Camera. Title. Review. Akaso Brave 7 Action Camera. Introduction. In the world of adventure seekers and outdoor enthusiasts, action cameras have become a must-have gadget. These compact devices enable users to capture incredible moments while participating in various adrenaline-pumping activities. The Akaso Brave 7 Action Camera is one such device that promises high-quality footage and exceptional performance. In this review, we will explore the features, performance, and overall value of the Akaso Brave 7 to help you make an informed decision. Design and build quality. The Akaso Brave 7 boasts a sturdy and durable construction, suitable for withstanding the most rugged outdoor adventures. The camera feels solid in hand, thanks to its robust build quality. With its waterproof housing, it can be submerged up to 131 feet, making it ideal for capturing underwater moments while scuba diving or snorkeling. The compact and lightweight design of the camera ensures it can easily fit into a pocket or be mounted on a helmet or other accessories. Overall, the design and build quality of the Akaso Brave 7 are both impressive and practical. Video and image quality. The Akaso Brave 7 excels in capturing stunning footage and images. It features a 20MP camera that delivers crisp and clear photos, capturing even the finest details of your adventures. The camera also supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring smooth and high-resolution footage. It offers multiple shooting modes, including time-lapse, slow motion, and burst, allowing you to unleash your creativity while documenting your experiences. Additionally, the Brave 7 supports electronic image stabilization, resulting in steady and shake-free video recordings. User interface and controls. The user interface of the Akaso Brave 7 is simple and intuitive, making it easy for users of all levels to navigate through the camera's settings and modes. The 2-inch LCD touchscreen provides a responsive and user-friendly interface, allowing you to preview and review your shots on the go. The menu system is well organized, providing quick access to various settings such as resolution, white balance, and exposure. The Brave 7 also features built-in Wi-Fi, enabling seamless connectivity with your smartphone for remote control and easy sharing of your photos and videos. Battery life and storage. One of the standout features of the Akaso Brave 7 is its impressive battery life. Equipped with a 1350 mAh rechargeable battery, it can last up to 90 minutes of continuous 4K video recording. This feature ensures that you won't miss any precious moments due to a drained battery. The Brave 7 supports microSD cards with a capacity of up to 64 GB, providing ample storage space for your adventures. Additional features. The Akaso Brave 7 comes with a host of additional features that enhance its versatility. It includes a 2.4 GHz wireless wrist remote control, allowing you to take shots or start-stop recording without touching the camera itself. The remote control is waterproof and has a range of up to 33 feet, making it an excellent companion for capturing action from various angles. The camera also features a built-in adjustable view angle, giving you the flexibility to capture wide-angle shots or close-ups. Furthermore, it has a built-in HDMI port, enabling you to connect it directly to a TV or monitor for viewing your footage in high definition. Performance and value. When it comes to performance, the Akaso Brave 7 does not disappoint. It utilizes a powerful Ambarella H22 chipset, which ensures smooth operation and efficient video encoding. The camera's advanced image sensor delivers vibrant and accurate colors, enhancing the overall quality of your footage. The Brave 7 also features a built-in gyroscope to stabilize your videos, reducing jitters and ensuring a professional-looking outcome. In terms of value, the Akaso Brave 7 offers an impressive package for its affordable price. It competes with other well-known brands in the action camera market, but at a fraction of the cost. Despite its budget-friendly price point, the Brave 7 does not compromise on features or performance. It provides everything you need and more, making it an exceptional value for the price. Durability and accessories. The Akaso Brave 7 is designed to withstand the toughest outdoor conditions. Its waterproof housing is not only suitable for underwater activities, but also protects the camera against dust, dirt, and impact. Additionally, the camera comes with a wide range of accessories, including mounts, straps, and adapters, allowing you to easily attach it to your gear or equipment. Whether you're hiking, biking, or snowboarding, the Brave 7 has you covered with its durable construction and comprehensive accessory kit. Connectivity and compatibility. The Brave 7 offers seamless connectivity options to enhance the user experience. With built-in Wi-Fi, you can effortlessly connect the camera to your smartphone or tablet, enabling real-time preview and remote control. You can also transfer your files wirelessly and instantly share them on social media platforms. Furthermore, the Akaso Brave 7 is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, ensuring compatibility regardless of the operating system you prefer. Customer support. Akaso is known for its excellent customer support, ensuring that users have a smooth and hassle-free experience with their products. The company provides regular firmware updates to improve performance and address any potential issues. They also offer a warranty and a responsive support team that is readily available to answer any queries or provide assistance whenever needed. With a sturdy and durable build quality, the Akaso Brave 7 action camera is designed to withstand the most rugged outdoor adventures. It features a waterproof housing that can be submerged up to 131 feet, allowing users to capture breathtaking underwater moments while scuba diving or snorkeling. The camera's compact and lightweight design makes it easy to carry and mount on various accessories. Its 20MP camera delivers crisp and clear photos, capturing even the finest details of your adventures. The camera supports 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, ensuring smooth and high-resolution footage. It offers multiple shooting modes such as time-lapse, slow motion, and burst, allowing users to unleash their creativity while documenting their experiences. The electronic image stabilization feature ensures steady and shake-free video recordings. The user interface of the Brave 7 is simple and intuitive, making it easy for users of all levels to navigate through the camera's settings and modes. The 2-inch LCD touchscreen provides a responsive and user-friendly interface for previewing and reviewing shots on the go. The menu system is well organized, offering quick access to various settings such as resolution, white balance, and exposure. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Brave 7 enables seamless connectivity with smartphones for remote control and easy sharing of photos and videos. One of the standout features of the Brave 7 is its impressive battery life. Its 1350 mAh rechargeable battery can last up to 90 minutes of continuous 4K video recording, ensuring users won't miss any precious moments due to a drained battery. The camera supports microSD cards with a capacity of up to 64 GB, providing ample storage space for adventures. The Brave 7 also comes with additional features that enhance its versatility. It includes a 2.4 wireless wrist remote control, allowing users to take shots or start-stop recording without touching the camera itself. The remote control is waterproof and has a range of up to 33 feet, making it an excellent companion for capturing action from various angles. The camera features a built-in adjustable view angle, giving users the flexibility to capture wide-angle shots or close-ups. It also has a built-in HDMI port for connecting directly to a TV or monitor for high-definition viewing of footage. In terms of performance, the Brave 7 utilizes a powerful Ambarella H22 chipset, ensuring smooth operation and efficient video encoding. Its advanced image sensor delivers vibrant and accurate colors, enhancing the overall quality of footage. With its durable build quality, exceptional performance, and extensive accessory kit, the Brave 7 offers excellent value for its affordable price. The Brave 7 is designed to withstand tough outdoor conditions, protected by its waterproof housing against dust, dirt, and impact. Connectivity is also seamless with the Brave 7, as it has built-in Wi-Fi that enables real-time preview and remote control via smartphones or tablets. Users can wirelessly transfer files and instantly share them on social media platforms. The camera is compatible with both iOS and Android devices, ensuring wide compatibility regardless of the preferred operating system. Akaso is known for its excellent customer support, providing regular firmware updates to enhance performance and address any potential issues. They offer a warranty and have a responsive support team that is readily available to answer any queries or provide assistance whenever needed. The Akaso Brave 7 action camera is a reliable and versatile device that is perfect for adventure and outdoor enthusiasts. Its sturdy construction and waterproof housing make it suitable for even the toughest conditions.